What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Bland. Super stoked to have you here in my very own boat. That is right. We bought this boat this year. We are super excited. It's got a nice living room area down here. This turns into a bed. We've got the bathroom on the opposite side here. Right here, under here, is a full bed in there as well. Super comfortable. We keep all of our blow-ups in there and things like that. All of our tubes for our rafts for the kids and everything, and for the missus. TV. We've got Roku on here, so we're able to turn that on and enjoy that, which is a lot of fun. So super stoked. We got a surround sound system on here as well. We got heat and air conditioning, which is awesome. Full stocked refrigerator at all times. That's right. And then we've got an oven up here, and then microwave right there. All the lights turn on, which are super cool at nighttime to be able to come down here. It's got a surround system that you can play up down here if you want to, or up top. So I'm gonna bring you guys out top there. But we're having a blast on this thing. I love the water. A little afraid of the water, honestly, but since we've got a boat, it's been absolutely a blast. Lake St. Clair is just so much fun to be on. It's big water, so a lot of big waves on it for sure. So definitely something not to mess around with. But I always say, if you're not doing something that scares you, you're not living, right? So, but yeah, let's get up here. Plenty of room for my head. I'm a little 6 foot there, about 6 foot tall. Some there, just a lot of open area, tons of storage underneath. Here's the bathroom. Not much going on in there. TV's all hooked up. It doesn't sway back and forth or anything like that when we're driving. As you can see, this is a close-in here, so it makes it real nice to be able, you can see out it, but you can't really see in it, which I'll show you guys here in just a second. A lot of the storage, like I said, we do all of our storage under here. This is the top of the boat here, so we can canvas that up, but a lot of the storage is under there. We have another little opening here for area for garbage for us, and there's another little cabinetry in here. Full stocked refrigerator. Let's open this bad boy up. Now, I'm not a drinker, so that we won't have drinks in there like that, but we have pops and waters and everything for the kids that we need. It's air conditioning in here. It's about 68 degrees down here. So let's head up. It's absolutely beautiful. We're at the marina. So see how it's saying, so you can't really see inside. But captain's chair, that's where I sit there. This is where the missus sits and the boys. And then you got a back seat as well, right here. So we have a lot of fun. Let's walk you off the boat here. We do have a little platform that you can walk through. I'll show you the back of the name. We named the boat. That's right, Not So Bland. What's that? Take a look up here. So nothing like having your Bentley and your boat at the same place, which is kind of cool. So let's take a look at the carved view here. Walk over here to the car. It's really cool to see the back license plate on the Bentleys. It says Bland. That's right. That's right. Go Bland, baby. All right. Hard work, dedication definitely pays off. Take a look at the boat. How awesome is that? Put my yard sign down here. This marina we won't be at next year, but hey, it's nice. It came with the boat for the season here. All of our electric is plugged in through. Got it in here. This is a Bayliner. It's absolutely beautiful boat. Absolutely stunning. I love it. It's a nice first boat for us as a family. As you walk in, it says grateful. That's right. As we walk in, it's super comfortable. All the way around this boat is just beautiful. It's a little windy today, so I just love it. This spot right here, take back, full length, 6 foot again, and it's super comfortable. But I just wanted to show you guys what hard work, dedication, time management does for you guys. A lot of people say that service industry, you'll never make any money. Well, I will tell you right now, you can, absolutely. But you got to work hard. But we've been doing fantastic this year, which I've been very blessed, and I really do appreciate you guys jumping on here. I got 16,500 subscribers, something like that as of right now, so super stoked to have you guys on here and you guys kind of walk through this whole process with me a little bit. Yeah, it's nice. You can walk down to the cabin. All the lights turn on in the middle at nighttime, so you have all the side mount lights there turn on, and it just glows this up. You can turn the radio on, enjoy it. I come out here, sit, and we do business out here, which is nice to be able to do business on the boat. Take your clientels out here and be able to take them around and close deals. And also, which is really cool to do, is to be able to just come out here and turn the computer on, go downstairs when it's 100 degrees out here. Air conditioning is just fantastic. So I love you guys. Until next time, go bland. We'll see you guys. The boat says not so bland, so it's kind of cool. It's a KNOT, so bland. So I love you guys. Until next time, see yous.